Yes, guys, it's your boy Hushcore back in the video. Today I'm back. Today I'm going to be reacting to my favourite YouTuber, Rackaracka. Now Rackaracka does the most violent, gore-less videos on YouTube. So yeah, go watching it today. So from now on I'm going to be watching my favourite YouTubers in one video. So yeah, I say soon I'll be doing it. So like, say like I watch him in one video, like not all his videos but like some of his videos, and I watch myself in one video. But anyways, we're gonna be watching two Rackaracka videos, and they're gonna be two Ronald McDonald ones. We're gonna be watching Ronald McDonald Playground Slaughter and Ronald McDonald Chicken Store Massacre. Now this video might contain very extreme gore, so don't watch if you don't want to. So yeah, let's first watch Ronald McDonald Playground Slaughter. Here is this. Oh, they're bullying the little kids. It's mean. Well, don't be a bully to these kids. I did literally tell him to like say like a kiss or something. Like, are they like making him summon Ronald? I think that's what they're doing.
Ronald McDonald. Ronald McDonald. Ronald McDonald.
No, don't do it. What do you mean? What do you mean? You literally told him to say Ronald McDonald's name 3 times in the mirror. Also, I found out this kid's name. You know the kid in this. I found the kid's name in the plot in IMDb or something. His name's Riley. Oh God. Okay. Oh my gosh. You know what? Every time I go to the McDonald's play place, I love it. It's just so good. Oh my God. That looked fun. Oh my God. He disappeared. He disappeared from nowhere. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is he even on the security cameras? That's creepy. Oh, he's behind you, kid. He's behind you. Oh! He kicked him in the nuts.
Is that Ronald McDonald?
Yeah. No, don't go and attack him. Don't go and attack him. If you see Ronald McDonald hurt, don't go and attack him. He will hurt you. He will kill you. Well, probably not the real one, but like this one will. Oh, now they're fighting. Okay, what? Why did Chase have to? He just killed that girl. Just killed that little girl. They're just messing with you. You don't have to do that. You're literally killing all the kids in the play place. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. RKO. How can an RKO kill someone? And it's a dangerous move, but it can't kill someone. Probably it will, but it can't. Oh God! No! Oh God! I thought he was gonna break his jaw, but he pulled his tongue out as well. Oh! Oh God! Oh, this kid's watching. Oh, that's disgusting. That's so disgusting. That is the most disgusting thing ever. And that's not the only thing that made me look away in horror movies or on YouTube. In Terrified 2, that bedroom scene made me look away. It's so gory. Also, this background of the play place is kind of scary. Ronald McDonald with a chainsaw? Where did you get it? Oh, just run. Oh, just run. No, hide under that. Yes, hide under that. If he's trying to kill the kid, then that's like so horrible. But if he's trying to like just scare him, then that's just like if he's trying to scare him, then I feel bad for him. I feel like he's trying to scare him because he's the one who summoned Ronald McDonald. What are you doing with that spoon? Oh god! Oh, he's peeing his pants! Oh! No, he looks disgusting. Ugh. No! That is disgusting. Why? Also, I hate that kid. Not this kid. That's Ronald McDonald. The kid that peed his pants in the video. No! Kill him right now. Kill him with a chainsaw. Disgusting. He peed his pants. He's spitting everywhere. No, wrong answer. No, that's the wrong answer. Just say quarter pounder or a Big Mac or cheeseburger or something, but definitely not a Whopper. Yeah, shut up. No one cares about your Whoppers. He just chainsawed him! He just chainsawed him! Oh my god! I love that they put this like YouTube.com, the Rackaracka thing. Oh, is he crying? That's sad. Why is he saying happy birthday? He put candles in his eye sockets and mouth. I think he like gouged his eye out and then put the candles in there. Also, why is he saying happy birthday? Is it his birthday? Also, wait, can you get that? A head cake? Can you get a head cake? Can you get a head cake? Oh my god, you actually can. That is creepy. Look at these results. Oh my god, a Grand P.O. the one. Oh god, these results are creepy. And I love those t-shirts, they're cool. So next we have Ronald McDonald's Chicken Store Massacre, and the name of the video made me laugh. Chicken Store Massacre. That's so funny. So let's get into this. Clickety chicken. What's clickety chicken? Oh, so right. Oh, that's Rackaracka. I need to tell that joke to someone. Oh no! If you ever want to open up a restaurant, if you're in a Rackaracka video, don't open it up next to McDonald's because Ronald McDonald will kill you.
Ronald McDonald's actually been sending us death threats, telling us.
Death threats? What? What the heck? die. Oh my god, bro. Oh, here he comes. The big man himself. See, if you haven't opened your restaurant near McDonald's, this wouldn't have happened. He just... Oh my god. He's like telling them off like Gordon Ramsay. He's like, you, get off out of here, get upstairs. You, get up. It's like Gordon Ramsay shouting at his chefs. He just grabbed her. Oh my god, just shot Rackaracka. Okay, I know this is all, so, disclaimer, this is all acting and props, so this is not real. It's all acting, guys, it's all fake. So no one's actually dead in these videos. Oh! Oh, I love that blood come onto the screen when he's shot him. That's like in the Bunny Man. Oh my god. La, what? What's going on? Put in the deep fryer? No! Oh my god. Oh god. Oh, that guy's face looks like I'm Alex. Looks like I'm Alex. Oh my god. He shot the mascot of a chicken store. I know why mascots of fast food have to be like, if it's a chicken, like KFC or something, it has to be like someone dressed in a chicken suit. That's weird. I love his feathers all over him. Wait, did he cook him? Did he cook the guy, the mascot? I don't think he did.
Hi, guys. Sorry, we're closed for technical reasons. What I will get you to is there's Mcdonald just up the road to the left. They've got Happy Meals and dinner boxes. Oh no, I'm not going to shit anyway. Just go back.
Well, that was rude. That was a very rude thing to say to him. He murdered him just because he's... Wow, damn, that was very violent. Anyways, that was it for this video. If you guys want me to do a part 2, because I definitely love watching Rackaracka. His videos are so funny and so amazing. So I'd definitely love to do a part 2. But anyways guys, I'll see you guys in that video. Peace out and bye.